Hello and welcome back. Congratulations on completing the other exercises. Now we're going to move into another type of questioning. We're still informational questions with where, but now we're also including what. So we're going to practice answering questions with where and what that show an action. So we're going to continue our practice, but we're going to give a little more information in these examples. So for example here, the question is, where does he bake the cake? So the answer is, he bakes the cake in the oven. So if we look at this, we could see that we're asking for the location of where he bakes the cake. And what is he baking? The cake. So we're also getting a thing, which answers the what. So the answer is telling you the action, which in this case is baking. It's also telling you the location, which is in the oven. And the thing that is being baked is the cake. So we're giving more information with these questions and answers. So where does he bake the cake? He bakes the cake in the oven. So here is the action, he bakes. The cake is the thing, which is answering the what. And in the oven is answering the where. Okay, so let's practice together with another example. Here we go. Where does she bleach the clothes? So the answer, again, and you can see there is a pattern. She is the pronoun, bleaches is the verb, noun is the clothes. That would be the what, answering the what. And where? Inside the sink. So our answer is still answering three things: the location, the action, and the thing. So again, the answer tells us the action. What is the action? Bleaches. So we could say the action is she bleaches. The location is inside the sink. That would be answering the where. Inside the sink. And the thing that she is bleaching is the clothes. So here, you could see how we are giving more information as we answer the question. Where does she bleach the clothes? She bleaches the clothes inside the sink. Okay, so exercise number 26. In this exercise, you're going to have options to use any pronoun that you would like. Now remember, you do have to follow the chart and make sure you use the correct helping verb to complete the question and answer. And also, you could choose to use present tense, past tense, future tense, or progressive tense. But in this case, since we've been practicing present tense, let's continue practicing in the present. So, number one is box and tomatoes. So for this example, as in your book, we're going to use the pronoun he. So we're going to begin with our question word, where. So because I'm going to use the pronoun he, I'm going to use does. Where does he box tomatoes? So again, where does he box tomatoes? And remember, because we are working in the present tense, because we use does, then our answer also has to address the present tense in the answer. So where does he box tomatoes? So again, we're going to begin with our pronoun. He boxes. If you remember, we need to add es when it ends with an X and to make it a present tense. He boxes tomatoes. At is the preposition we're using. At the grocery store is the object of the preposition. At the grocery and store. He boxes tomatoes at the grocery store. Okay, so now let's move into number 2. We're going to use the verb bury and the noun bone. So when I think of bury and bone, I'm thinking of a dog. But just so you know, if you don't know the name or gender of an animal, you could always use the pronoun it. So in this case, as in our example, we're going to use the noun the dog. So we're going to begin with our question word, what, where, and we're going to use does. We know the noun, so where does the dog bury the bone? Where does the dog bury the bone? And now we're going to answer the question by saying the dog is our noun. The dog buries. Now, if you remember from past learning, when we come to a word that we have to change, it's drop the Y and put IES. Buries. The dog buries the bone. And the preposition that we're going to use is under. And the object of the preposition is the tree. The tree. So again, where does the dog bury the bone? The dog buries the bone under the tree. So again, we're still practicing and answering the three things: the action, the what, and the where. So here we have where is the location under the tree. And we have what does he bury? The bone. Now it's your turn to continue with the following exercises. Now remember, these exercises are going to help you with your pronunciation, your speaking and writing skills, and it will also refine your accent. So please remember, you could always refer back to the video and continue your practice. And good luck, and I'll see you soon.